I own ARC Restoration and Construction. Actually, we're a full-service real estate firm where we specialize in real estate holdings, real estate development, construction, and as well as property management. We really specialize in renovating historic structures. So we take the biggest building on the block and pour a lot of resources, time, energy, effort, money into putting that building back online. Typically, it's the crown jewel of the neighborhood. People who grew up in the neighborhood have fond memories of doing business there or going there with their family and friends or shopping and things of that nature. So it's such a pleasure and an honor to restore these buildings back to their original beauty and realize what it can be that will serve the future. A trailblazer to me is someone who presses forward despite the obstacles in their way. Despite the challenges, despite the haters, the naysayers, despite the people who may not see your vision or may not have the assignment that you have, but you do it anyway. And that's what I do every single day. When I show up and people say, "Oh, are you the realtor?" Right? "Are you the tour guy?" Right? "Are you friends of the people who own this building?" Right? I don't let that deter me. At the end of the day, I know that I am here to set an example for the little girls who look like me, who are coming right after I am. But that trailblazer in me says, I am here to blaze this path so that they can go down this road and hopefully not experience some of the same obstacles and challenges that I had to go through. Hopefully, as I'm blazing this trail, I'm also burning down a lot of those challenges and obstacles that are in the way. I face a lot of challenges. The most difficult one is the fact that I'm not believable. People do not believe me. It's almost as if a wall is up and they can't understand that no, I am the actual owner. I am the owner of the construction company that have 15 big burly guys behind me believing in me and what I am capable of, and knowing that I'm creating a path for them to put food on the table. What is most frustrating as people around us don't believe in us, or don't believe that we're a team and I am the one in charge. I get pushback and feedback a lot of times. So that's been the most stressful part of what I do, is the people not believing I am who I say I am, or I'm capable of doing the work of transforming buildings just like this in our community. So I'm here, I'm not going anywhere, and I'm going to continue to be a trailblazer so those barriers, that small-mindedness can go away. For anyone who's thinking about starting your own business, the first thing I'd say is do business in community. Have a plan, know your story, be comfortable with sharing your story, because people only feel comfortable buying from people who they know, who they feel like they can trust and have a relationship with. My business is successful because I know a lot of people. I have made my business everyone else's business, right? I go into those rooms, I'm not afraid to go in those rooms, network, pass out cards, talk, and get to know people on a deeper level, and you will be surprised at what you're capable of. But you're definitely going to be scared. I don't want to make it seem like this is all, unicorns and rainbows. It is very hard work, and it is not for everyone, because you're forging your own path. You're feeding yourself and the people who are believing in you, which is sometimes a very hard thing. There's market dynamics. You don't know how the market is going to affect you. We just had coronavirus right in the middle of me starting this business. And so there's going to be some real challenges. But if it's something that you're passionate about, and if you're solving a need that the community has, you absolutely owe it to yourself and the people around you to pursue that.